Hello everyone, it's Sandro from Abstract Homes Renovations. How you doing, man? Guys and girls. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this warmboard system here. It's not very common that a lot of guys using this. Only the I would say the upper quality homes, builders are actually using this product here. Now what this is these channels here are for the tubing for the radiant in-floor heating. So traditionally you would use plywood, 3/4, 5/8, whatever was spec'd by the engineer, and then you would put the tubing, attach the tubing to the plywood. So let's just say this is the plywood. You would attach the tubing to this plywood and then pour 1.5 inches of concrete over top of it. So with this warmboard system, we don't have to do that. We just put the tubing in here, and it's usually done later to before we put the floor in and or before we put the drywall in. So we have it all done and down in the holes and through the channels that we need to run it through, and then cover it up again right after that, so it doesn't get damaged until the floor finishing gets done over top of this. So it doesn't require any concrete on it. It's 1.1 inches thick, so it's super strong. This heats up 7 times faster than regular radiant heat in concrete, and it radiates, have this aluminum that's molded in here, it radiates the heat up. So it's almost like a forced air system in a home. It does, it's fantastic. Heats up real fast. It's a way better system. You don't have all that weight of the concrete on top of the board. Still strong. It's still got that bit of, even with concrete, it kind of deadens the sound a bit, but this is good as well. It has that resistance to sound that goes through as well, because it's quite thick. Fantastic system. It's not cheap, pretty expensive, but like I said, on the higher end homes, this is the stuff that you want to use. It's way more versatile. That's your lesson for the day. Just check it out. What do we got here? Warmboard. Warmboard.com. See you guys. Have a great day.